Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw an eagle flying digitally. I created a screen-sized document and we toned the background with gray. Let's draw an oval for the body of the eagle and the wings. I want more space, so we go to the settings, canvas and crop and resize. I'm using Procreate, but you can follow along with whatever digital program you like to use. Let's draw the head and the legs, which will be hanging down. Then the tail, the beak and eyes. The wings with the long and curving feathers at the tips. By the way, the list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. Let's make the canvas even bigger to be able to draw the clouds nicely underneath and a little bit to the sides. Make the tail a little shorter and then create a new layer for the sky. It will be of a light grayish blue on the upper part and orangey at the bottom. We can give different tonalities. Let's do a darker one toward the right and low. We create a new layer to draw a carpet of clouds below the eagle. They will have some orangey yellow lights and gray shadows. But first, actually, let me do the outline of the eagle a little bit better and stronger. Good, and let's go back to the clouds. I'm using the hard blend brush. With it you can achieve a nice softness, like so. But I'm actually doing the whole drawing with that single brush. And I want to invite you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter @ArtistLeonardo, so that you can check out what's new. The new creations. If you are liking this video, please consider subscribing to the channel to Fine Art Tips so that you can see more. Also, in case you are interested, I am uploading a long version of this tutorial to my Patreon account. The link is in the information below the video. Now on a new layer, let's paint the eagle. First with a flat brown base. Let's draw the beak and the eyes a little bit better with a very fine brush. The border of the wing can go lighter. I see the head a little bit small, so I will select by swiping left all the layers concerned and then clicking on the select button on top and freehand. We can then adjust it. That's better. I correct the wing on our left, also on the right, and then let's give some shadows. Let's select the grayish yellow for the feet, for the paws. I will move one paw actually, selecting it in the same way as before, because it was too much to the side. Very good. And now, so that it stands out, it needs lights. some strong lighting, which will be coming from the left and a little bit low, since the sun is setting. So what is facing to the left will be very lit, with a golden color, since this is a golden eagle. Nice. I really enjoy this. I love drawing so much. Doesn't matter if it is digital or with traditional mediums. Let's also give light to the back edge of the feathers and complete these ones on the other side. Very good. And if you got all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code Flying Free, and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Don't forget to check out the Patreon page with the link below. And if you want to learn to draw a pretty woman digitally, click on the video on the screen. And I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.